Step into the 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: anti-lock brakes, power door locks, anti-theft, leather seats, air conditioning, luggage rack, power seats, tinted windows, and center console. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.